A well-organized kitchen can dramatically improve your cooking experience and save you precious time. Here are some must-have products that can transform your kitchen into a more functional and enjoyable space. First on the list is the set of adjustable drawer dividers. These dividers are perfect for keeping your utensils, spatulas, and other kitchen tools neatly separated and easily accessible. They are expandable and can fit most drawer sizes, making them incredibly versatile. Next, let's talk about stackable food storage containers. These airtight containers are ideal for storing dry goods like pasta, cereals, and spices. Their stackable design saves space in your pantry and makes it easy to find what you need without a chaotic search. Another essential product is the magnetic knife strip. This stylish strip not only keeps your knives within reach, but also declutters your countertops and drawers. It's a sleek solution that adds a modern touch to your kitchen while keeping your knives safely stored. Moving on, consider investing in a pull-out cabinet organizer. This organizer makes it effortless to access pots, pans, and other cookware stored in lower cabinets. No more digging through a pile of kitchenware, just pull out the shelf and everything is at your fingertips. For those who love coffee, a coffee pod drawer is a game changer. This drawer sits neatly under your coffee machine and provides a dedicated space for storing all your pods, keeping your countertops tidy and your coffee choices organized. Don't overlook the importance of a spice rack. A rotating spice rack allows you to see all your spices at a glance and grabs what you need without knocking over a dozen bottles. It's a small product with a big impact on kitchen efficiency. Finally, think about adding a hanging pot rack. This not only frees up cabinet space, but also adds a rustic charm to your kitchen. Pots, pans, and even some utensils can hang within easy reach, making them more accessible when cooking. These products are not just about aesthetics, they truly enhance the functionality and efficiency of your kitchen. You can find these kitchen organization essentials through the provided links and affiliate codes. Happy organizing!